and welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Krafter, and I'm here today with the Craft Buddy Crystal Art Advent Calendar. It is a magnetic advent calendar, and what they do is they provide you with this metal tree, and each day you get an ornament to affix to your tree or to your fridge or wherever magnetic you want to attach them. I work in an office and I have a cubicle that has metal on it, so I can take all these and decorate my office if I want going forward. It's just such a cute little project. But we have now made it to day 9. This has been every night after work. I can come home, get my pajamas on, come into my craft room, and just sit and craft for 10 minutes, and I can get these projects done. They are so quick and simple. I'm absolutely in love with it. Oh, and look at this. Oh, I love those little stars on there. But yeah, it's just very relaxing. I'm hoping going forward they come out with something else that are these tiny that I can do just little quick projects on. I've enjoyed the coasters before, and they did come out with an amazing card set. I will do a flip through of that. I got the Today's Special Value with the card kit, so I will do a flip through of that before the month is over so you can see that, and I will be working on that next month because those cards are just absolutely spectacular. And again, just another quick small project, more than these. It'll take more than 10 minutes to do those, but they are just amazing. So follow along and see some of my watercoloring, see my diamond art, and see some of the different craft projects that I love to put together. As I get started with this, I'm going to go ahead and put some music on. I do use an electric pen that has air suction that picks up all my products with me. It is a rechargeable one, so I can craft as on the go, and it lasts a really long time. So I absolutely love it. I do have a description in the box below, and the link to it is on my blog post at nerdycrafterwithak.com. So you can check that out if you have any questions, or just message me and I will get you the link. I hope you have a wonderful day. Just listen to the music and I'll be back at the end. All right, here we are with day 9 of our Crafty Buddy Crystal Advent Calendar. I did decide to pull in the red from yesterday, so I didn't even have to open up the bag from today. I think I'm going to get a lot of the same color, so I may start doing that. And then, as I mentioned earlier, I think I did it yesterday. I have an organization box that I think I'm going to pull out and start putting some of the colors in, so that way I can keep them stored, and it will be easier when I want to use them on my card projects and other things. So we will see. I'm going to try to pull that out tomorrow, and then I'll try to do a video on that, consolidating all those gems that I've gotten so far. But here we are, again, day 9 of our Crafty Buddy Advent Calendar. This is such a fun, quick project. Thank you again for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow.